Hello, dear Zoom Auto family. Welcome back to another exciting ride with us. Today, we have something truly special, something that's going to bring back a lot of memories. Say hello to the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS. Yep, you heard that right. The legend is back. This isn't just a name revival. Chevy means business this time. Under the hood sits a massive 6.2L V8 engine pushing out over 450 horsepower. That means pure, unfiltered muscle, whether you're flooring it off the line or just cruising down the highway. The Impala SS is built to thrill. Step inside, and it gets even better. The cabin screams performance, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, sport bucket seats, and a crisp digital cluster that makes you feel like you're in command of a powerhouse. Oh, and tech lovers, don't worry. Chevrolet packed in a huge touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system to keep things classy. But hey, this isn't just about brute force. The 2025 Impala SS comes with sport-tuned suspension, big brakes, and even an advanced all-wheel drive system. Yep, AWD in an Impala. That means this beast handles like a dream, whether you're hitting the track or just enjoying a spirited weekend drive. Chevrolet brought back an icon, and they didn't disappoint. Bold looks, monstrous power, cutting-edge tech. This is the modern muscle sedan we've all been waiting for. So, what do you think of the new Impala SS? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Zoom Auto, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car action. To all our amazing viewers and listeners, you guys are the fuel that keeps this engine running. Thanks for your support, and as always, drive safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.